Every day, investors read company announcements that can move stock prices dramatically. But understanding what those announcements actually mean is not always straightforward. That is why I built Aldo, an AI market intelligence assistant that transforms company announcements into clear, structured insights. For this demonstration, I am using a fictional company announcement about a £48 million equipment supply contract. After pasting the announcement and selecting Analyze, Aldo uses GPT-5.6 to process the information and generate an overall verdict within seconds. In this example, the announcement is classified as high impact. Aldo then evaluates the announcement across several important areas, including event significance, hype, confidence, freshness, financial significance, and dilution risk. Each rating includes a short explanation, so the user can understand why the assessment was made. Rather than treating every statement as equally reliable, Aldo separates confirmed facts from uncertain claims. For example, the fixed £48 million contract is treated as confirmed, while the optional additional £8 million is not counted as guaranteed revenue. Aldo also identifies risky or promotional wording, explains the potential financial significance, and highlights important information that is still missing. Users can then ask follow-up questions in natural language. The follow-up assistant is grounded in the original announcement and the structured analysis already produced, helping keep its answers consistent, transparent, and relevant. Aldo was built using Codex with GPT-5.6. GPT-5.6 powers the structured analysis. Instead of returning only a general summary, it produces a validated set of fields covering significance, hype, confirmed facts, uncertain claims, risky wording, financial impact, dilution risk, missing information, confidence, freshness, and the overall verdict. I used Codex throughout the development process to design the data models, implement the fast API routes, build the user interface, add the overall verdict feature, debug deployment issues, refactor the code, and create automated tests. I made the key product decisions, including separating evidence from speculation, limiting unsupported follow-up answers, clearly labeling fictional demo content, and keeping the analysis explainable. Codex helped me turn those decisions into working, tested software much faster. The goal of Aldo is simple: to help people understand company announcements with greater clarity, transparency, and confidence.